Back again for just a short time. Just wanted to show you this side. The basic structure has been completed. It took me about 3 days. If you see how intricate it is around the stairways coming off the passenger waiting room, and that took me a little bit of time to get done. So, but anyway, just wanted to let you see that, and I'm working on the other side right now, which is over there. And the key thing was the how to get it in between the passenger stairways, because the way I've done it is a little different than the actual prototype. So, but anyway, that one's done. That's about 2 weeks worth of printing and gluing to get it to this point, and probably be the end of next week, because I got the New Braunfels train show over the weekend, and to get the other side done. But we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.